Certain decisions were taken at the cabinet meeting that was held today, the 9th of June 2022. Briefing media persons on such decisions, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, informed that there were two important decisions taken by the cabinet. These include the setting up of 3 colleges in the state, namely the Veterinary and Dairy Colleges that are to be set up in Kyrdemkulai, Bhoi District, while the College of Fisheries will be set up in Garo Hills District.
Two of them, which is the Veterinary College and Dairy College, will be set up in Kyrdemkulai in the Bhoi District, and the Fisheries College will be set up in Garo Hills. The exact location will be decided once the Fisheries Department will submit the detail of the different options that are there, but it will be in Garo Hills region. So that was the first decision that was taken.
The Cabinet has also approved the amendment to the Meghalaya District Courts Ministerial Service Rules 2020. This will enable district courts to employ and conduct interviews at the district level instead of them being conducted by the High Court, informed Chief Minister Conrad Sangma.
But in the Meghalaya District Courts Ministerial Service Amendment Rules, based on a communication by the High Court, we have made some amendments. In a nutshell, this would enable the district courts to employ or to take people and conduct the interviews at the district level, like it's been done in the district selection committees, instead of it being conducted by the High Court. So in the past, grade 3 and grade 4 employments and competition and employments were interviews and examinations were conducted by the High Court. A simple rule change has been made to enable the process to be faster. That for district courts, the respective district courts will conduct the examinations and interviews. So those are the decisions that were taken in